Welcome to Tech Solution.
How to factory reset a TP-Link router. You may need to reset your router if you can no longer access the router's web-based setup page, or you forgot the router's password. Resetting your router will clear all your home networking settings and will change all of your settings back to the defaults. Ensure that your router is powered on. Look for the WPS/reset button often found on the rear panel of the router. You may need a pin to reach it on some models. Push this button for at least 10 seconds to reset the device. The sys or reset LED will flash faster than normal. Release the button and allow the router to restart with the default factory settings. The factory default settings should now be restored. Log back into your router to begin reconfiguring the device. The default credentials are: username, admin, password, admin.
Thanks for watching.